how to connect Bitget Wallet to Gross. So connecting your Bitget Wallet account, that is the wallet you're currently using, how to connect it to Gross is really easy. Head over to the Discover page at the bottom of the navigation bar, and then where we have Enter the app, just go ahead and search for Gross, and it's going to pull up a couple of the apps. That is the Gross Launchpad, and the Gross Airdrop. So we're looking for Gross. So click on Gross first. It's going to then open up a third-party URL, which is basically opening up the Gross website. Go ahead and click on End for the cookies, and then just scroll through till you see the option to either connect your wallet. Your wallet should be connected by default, as the wallet connection option is here. So just go ahead and select any of the networks, which in this case is Solana, and select the wallet, and it would be connected. All right, that's how it works. Otherwise, you would have to download the Gross application on your mobile device and then connect via the mobile device. But you should be able to connect on the website. All right, guys, so that's how it works. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like.